Hello and welcome to this video where I will demonstrate how to create a macro to target an NPC or a player. So the way you will do that is you will go down to main menu or just click escape. Then you'll go to macros, and if you haven't made a macro before, this will be empty, but I've created a bunch. Then you'll go down to new, you pick one of the symbols and you write in a name. Let's call it target. And then in this field, you'll / target, and then you choose the name of the NPC or player that you want to target. So, zandalarian emissary. So let's say I want to test it. So I target myself. So it says shadow light. I'll save this and pull it to my bar, and I'll click it. And what should happen is that when I click this, I should automatically change my target to the zandalarian emissary. And so instead of shadow light, it will say zandalarian emissary. Let's see if that works. So I clicked that, and it immediately targeted the zandalarian emissary. And so this might not seem very useful for this example, like what's the use of this? But what it's really used for is that there's some instances where there are rare spawns. One of them being the upper Blackrock Spire. There's a mob that spawns in some of the instances, but not others. And so what you would do is you would create a macro to target this rare spawn, and then you can enter the dungeon, and you can spam this macro and see if you can target that NPC. And if you cannot target the NPC, if that NPC doesn't show up in your target, that means that the NPC is not in the dungeon. Then you can go out, reset the dungeon, go back in, and look for that mob. And then if the mob is in there, then you will come with a group and then clear the instance up to that mob and kill that mob for the loot. So it has a bunch of different uses, but this is basically the basics of how to using a targeting macro. Thank you.